Have you ever wondered how China can build endless miles of high-speed rail and adorable skyscrapers quickly, cleanly, and without much fuss or political bother? China made headlines worldwide for announcing it had built a fully functioning 1,500-room hospital in just 5 days. This remarkable feat of engineering and logistics was executed in response to a COVID-19 surge in Nangang, a city in Hebei province. So today we're putting on our hard hats and asking exactly how China builds so fast. China's modern economic boom, a little short of dazzling, ballooning national prosperity, has lifted hundreds of millions of people out of poverty, urbanized its citizenry faster than any other civilization in human history, and created some pretty awesome infrastructure projects. Along the way, not least the world's largest dam, the world's biggest airport, and a veritable forest of shiny new skyscrapers, most strikingly. The People's Republic has spent over $300 billion on almost 40,000 kilometers of high-speed rail infrastructure, putting it light years ahead of every other country on Earth, and providing its commitment to a sustainable, public transport-centric future for its 1.5 billion citizens. The best explanation is that China and Chinese people do things differently. This starts with the design to be implemented. They have fully shifted from design through sheets and drawings to design via models. There simply aren't enough CAD technicians in the world to draw up sheets for even one of some of their mega projects. That means that they basically design to the schematic 30% stage based on a model and then start building. Of course, many emerging economies are notorious for just designing to the sub-10% stage and then sorting it out during construction, often with horribly badly trained construction managers. The Chinese are not like this. They break projects into sections of a model based on terrain and engineering solutions to that terrain, then have design teams sort things out as they go. All they're worried about before starting is that problems are solvable, and because they break projects into sections, they work on them in parallel, not in series. This represents a different, non-risk-averse culture. In other words, they don't feel they have to solve every small, detailed design problem before starting. Before proceeding, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell and like and share the video. China has also leveraged collaboration technologies. Using technology on the job site makes it easier for contractors to communicate and collaborate with architects, owners, and their teams. They can collect information on the job site and share it with others while also asking questions and getting input in real time. Useful technologies China is using include online and mobile apps for everything from reporting to document sharing, construction management, auto archiving, and data collection. Other common examples are building information modeling, BIM, bid management software with integrated response trackers, mobile devices with automated alerts and notifications, online plan rooms and virtual meeting platforms, and GPS tracking. These advances can help increase real-time communication and collaboration among stakeholders, decreasing downtime and errors. AI and machine learning. China construction firms are now using data to make better decisions, increase productivity, improve job site safety, and reduce risks. With artificial intelligence and machine learning systems, Chinese firms have been able to turn mountains of data they have collected over the years on projects to predict future outcomes on projects and gain a competitive advantage when estimating and bidding on construction projects. Additionally, AI has improved worker productivity by reducing the amount of time wasted moving about the construction site to retrieve tools, materials, and equipment to perform certain tasks. Workers are tracked throughout the day using smartphones or wearables. Sensors installed on materials and equipment track how everything else is moving about the construction site. Once enough data sets are collected, AI can analyze how workers move about and interact with the site to come up with solutions to reorganize the placement of tools and materials to make them more accessible to workers and reduce downtime. Chinese construction firms are also using robots and artificial intelligence to monitor job site progress with real-time, actionable data to improve job site productivity. Autonomous drones and rovers are equipped with high-definition cameras and LiDAR to photograph and scan the construction site each day with pinpoint accuracy. AI then uses those scans to compare against BIM models, 3D drawings, construction schedules, and estimates to inspect the quality of the work performed and determine how much progress has been made each day. They also leverage deep learning algorithms to identify and report errors in work performed. This can be anything from the excavation and site work to the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. The AI can recognize a building component based on its shape, size, and location, even if only a portion of the component is visible. By classifying and measuring quantities installed, these systems can tell how much work was done each day, which it can then compare against the construction schedule and alert if a project is falling behind. The AI also detects deviations between installed components and on-site work with models, so workers can quickly identify errors and avoid costly rework. Autonomous heavy equipment for fast constructions. Chinese construction companies have also been at the forefront of using autonomous heavy equipment in their construction works. Autonomous heavy equipment using similar technology for self-driving cars is currently being used on job sites to perform excavation, grading, and site work. This type of technology allows operators to be completely removed from the machine, allowing companies to do the same amount of work with fewer workers. These machines use sensors, drones, and GPS to navigate the construction site and conduct site work based on 3D models of the terrain to accurately excavate and grade the site. Augmented GPS, a combination of on-site base stations and satellites, can be used to geofence the site and allow autonomous equipment to move around the site with precision and accuracy. The benefit of adopting technology like drones, robots, and autonomous or self-controlled equipment are twofold. First, within the next decade, workers entering the workforce that has grown up using tablets and smartphones their entire life, so operating these machines will be second nature to them. Second, younger workers, regardless of what field they go into, are going to expect to be using technology to perform their jobs. So as you can notice, one word seems to explain the reason why China is so fast in construction: technology. Only time will tell whether other countries will implement such technologies to match Chinese immense construction speeds.